Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to try to look at what causes washers not to drain. Remember, parts are specific to your model of washer, and the ones shown today may not be the right parts for you. To get the right parts for your washer, be sure to search PartSelect.com using your model number. If you need help finding your model, use our model number locator. The link is in the description. Washing machines clean by repeatedly cycling the clothes through water and detergent. In top-loading washers, the agitator will move the clothes through the water and detergent mix. In front-loading washers, the inner tub will rotate in both directions and the clothes lifters mounted to the inner tub will lift the clothes and drop them into the water and detergent mix. The wash cycle will last for a predetermined length of time, and then the washer will go into a drain mode. Both top and front-loading washers will often incorporate a spin cycle to further extract the water and detergent from the clothes. Depending on the type of washer and the cycle selected, the washer will then perform one or more rinse and spin cycles to flush out any remaining soil and detergent. This will be followed by a longer spin cycle to extract as much water as possible. Both top-loading and front-loading washers use some type of drain pump to remove water from the tubs. Most top-loading washers will use either a belt-driven pump or a direct drive pump, which would be coupled to the drive motor. Both of these types will normally run in one direction during the wash cycle and then in the reverse direction during a drain or drain and spin cycle. Front-load washers normally use a self-contained electric drain pump. This pump will be controlled by the electronic control board or the timer. Regardless of the style of washer, the drain pump will have an inlet hose from the outer tub and an outlet hose that connects to the drain standpipe. A malfunctioning drain system can be responsible for several different washer symptoms. While a no-drain symptom may seem to be related to the pump, the problem may actually be in one of the connecting hoses. A blockage or restriction in either the inlet or outlet hose from the pump will cause a no-drain symptom. Look for small items of clothing such as socks, underwear, or baby clothing, or any foreign objects like coins or cards that may be caught at the outlet of the tub or the inlet of the pump, or in the inlet and outlet hoses to the pump. If the item has made its way into the pump, you would normally hear an unusual sound as well from the impeller rotating against the item. Items lodged in the pump may also cause the impeller or impeller shaft to loosen from the drive mechanism and may require the replacement of the pump. For a no-drain symptom on washers that use a belt-driven pump, check the condition of the drive belt. These are normally not very tight, so check the manufacturer's specification for proper tension. Look for signs of glazing on the belt, which would indicate slipping. Remove the belt from the pump drive pulley and then turn the pulley by hand. It should turn smoothly and easily. If not, then check for debris in the pump housing before condemning the pump, and also verify that the impeller is not slipping on the shaft. For a no-drain symptom on washers that use a direct drive pump, you should first verify that the drive motor is running and in the proper direction. If the inlet and outlet to the pump is not restricted, then remove the pump from the drive motor while leaving the hoses connected. You should be able to turn the input shaft of the pump smoothly and easily. If not, then check the input port for foreign objects that may be caught on the impeller and also verify that the impeller is not slipping on the shaft. For a no-drain symptom on front-load washers that use a self-contained electric drain pump, you should first verify that the pump is being powered. This can easily be tested if the pump operates on standard 120-volt AC power by unplugging the washer and using a test cord to power the pump separately. A humming sound would indicate that the pump is drawing power, but you may also have some debris at the inlet to the pump that may be preventing the impeller from turning. Most electric drain pumps do not turn as smoothly as direct drive or belt-driven pumps. A restriction in the inlet hose or tub outlet that prevents water from getting to the pump may also be your problem. Now that you have a better idea of your problem and can identify what the solution could be and what, if any, parts you need to repair or replace, go to PartSelect.com. There you can order your parts and find more information about your specific repair.